In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image from the web into Google Sheets in just 5 seconds. This process can be really handy if you're looking to enhance your spreadsheets with visuals, adding context and clarity to your data. Let's dive right in. Firstly, you'll need to start by opening your Google Sheets. If you don't already have one open, go ahead and log into your Google account and navigate to Google Sheets. Here, you can either open an existing spreadsheet or create a new one. This serves as your canvas, your workspace where the magic will happen. Once you're in your spreadsheet, the next step is to decide where you want your image to be. Click on any cell to select it, ensuring that it's the right spot for your image. This might be near data you're looking to highlight or in a separate section altogether. With your cell selected, it's time to look at the top of your Google Sheets window. Here, you'll find the toolbar with a list of options. You'll want to click on Insert. This menu is your gateway to adding different elements into your spreadsheet beyond just text. After clicking Insert, you'll see an option for Image. Click on it, and you'll notice a few different choices. For the purpose of this demonstration, you're going to choose Insert Image over Cells. This option allows you to insert an image that will sit on top of your spreadsheet rather than inside a cell which might resize it. It's a great choice if you want your image to maintain its original proportions and quality. Next, you'll need to choose the option to browse. This allows you to pull in images directly from your computer. Clicking Browse will open up a window where you can navigate through your files. Ensure that the image you want to insert is saved locally on your computer or device so that you can access it with ease. Once you've selected your desired image, you'll simply click on it so that it's highlighted. Highlighting confirms your selection, letting Google Sheets know this is the image you wish to insert. And just like that, your image is now part of your Google Sheets document, sitting over the cells you've selected. You've successfully brought a visual from the web onto your spreadsheet, adding that extra layer of information or commentary that a simple text cell just can't provide. Keep in mind, you can always move, resize, or even delete the image if necessary, giving you full control over how it's displayed alongside your data. By incorporating images, you make your spreadsheets not only more visually appealing, but also potentially more informative. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.